Guys, look at this corn. It has no dryness, no damage, no cracks. All the juice is still inside. You don't need to add any salt, pepper, butter, none of this stuff. In fact, you don't have to add anything. We'll cook 8 medium corns. The medium size can fit inside your hand. But if you buy the large size, then cook 6 pieces instead of 8. Use a large, about 7 quarts pan, deep enough to fit all the corn and water. Fill it with 4 quarts of tap water. Set the heat to maximum and wait until the water boils. When the water boils, wait until it's rolling boiling like this. Add all 8 pieces slowly, so you don't splash the hot water on your skin. Try to submerge all the pieces. Cold corn will cool down the water, so wait a few minutes till the water boils again. And keep your heat at the maximum. When the water boils again, cover the pan with the lid and turn off the heat completely. Fire damages the corn. That's why we will cook it without the fire. And that's my little trick for you. Remove it from the heat and place something heavy on top of the lid. We need to create a hot sauna inside the pan. Let the corn cook inside for 25 minutes without any heat. And that's all you need to do. Easy peasy. After 25 minutes, test the corn with the knife. If it slides inside easily, the corn is ready and perfect, as you can see. If you follow my steps, you won't need any tests. The corn will be ready. Use a colander to drain the water and remove the corn. As long as you don't damage the corn while cooking, you don't need to add any ingredients. It has its natural taste. It's so juicy, it's even sweet. Corn has its own flavor. All you have to do is let it shine through. Don't forget to hit like on this video.